All right, let's go straight into it. So second part is start like this, finger up, right hand, side, down. So up, side, down. Okay, so then it goes 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, so there, there, and down. At the same time, boom, boom. When you go down, you bring your hands here to go down and whoop, whoop. Head side, side, and your leg goes up, down. So 1 and 2, and one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, and. Okay, again. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, and then you're gonna go like this, 3 and 4. You just reverse your left hand, 3 and 4. At the same time, you're going back and back with your chest going front. So it's like this, 3 and 4. And with your hands here, tap, tap, tap. Okay, so the second part is a little bit faster and more lyrical. So it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yes, again. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And from here, gonna go and 5. So I'm just stepping right, left. Okay? Right, left. And my hands are coming here with the right on top of the left. And 5. And 5. And 6 and 7. Yeah. So here, 5. You switch back. You go low. Bring it back. So here, you have the right in front. Move it back. Go down with your left. Bring it back and turn to the side. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1. Okay, so let's move into the second 8. Yeah, second times 8. You're on 1 here. You look camera, fingers moving, hands here on the top. You go 1. Yes, 1, 2. You touch here, hips, bring it up. 2, 3, drop on 4. Yes, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again. So go 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. You go around with your right 5 hips, lock. 6, 7. Go left, lock. So it goes boom, lock, boom, lock. Okay? Let's go again. So we were here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Let's go into the third time. 8. Where it gonna go? Wrist, wrist, clap, open. Right, left, clap, open. So 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Yes. 1 and 2. So at the same times, I'm gonna step right and left. Yes, you go. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay, again. 7 and slow. 1 and 2. Yes, from here I'm gonna go 3, 4. Here I go with the hips, forward, backwards. 3, 4. At the same time, grab your fingers like that to go 3, right on top, 4, and switch. So 3, 4. Hips, hips. All right, one more time. Third time 8. 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4. Yes, again. 7 and 8, go 1 and 2, 3, 4. Then from here, I'm gonna go up with my hand, up with my right, down with my left to go 3 and 4. No, 5 and 6. This is a 5 and 6. Yeah, ta, hips again, 5 and 6. This is the position of the hand, 5 and 6. Let's take again. 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6. Then you end up with a 7, 8. So here, hands around the face and the other hands. You start with the right and then the left. So face, face. At the same time, stay back, stay back. So here is going boom, boom. Yes. And this is 7, 8. And I'm gonna step up with the 1. And this is the last 8. Woo, we're almost there. Okay, let's try again this third 8. Ready? 7 and 8. It goes 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Yes, let's get the last count, last 8 of the second part. You're gonna step out with your right, boom, and your hands is going around like this, pointing. So 1, 2, 3, and then you're gonna step with the left on 4, looking into the camera. I don't know why I screamed. Again, 7 and 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4. Then here you go. You remember, move your fingers and go 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're just stepping front, moving your hips. You go left, right, right. Okay? So pretty simple. The last 8 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and you end with a 1, whatever you want it. Okay? One more time, the last 8. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay. Now, let's put all the 4 times 8 of the second part together slowly. All right, are you ready? So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and go. All right, guys, do you remember the first part and the second part? Now we're gonna put it together slowly from the top, okay? And let's add our little pre-intro. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1.
Thanks for watching our video till the end.
I hope you like it. Don't hesitate to leave a comment.
And please like and subscribe.
Bye.